Dear friends, have you ever wondered what that little box of baking soda in your kitchen can actually do for your health? Well, it's more than just for baking. In today's video, we're going to explore the magical powers of sodium bicarbonate, also known as baking soda. From helping with digestion to giving you glowing skin, sodium bicarbonate might just be your new health superhero. Stay tuned to learn how this simple household item can make a big difference in your life. What is sodium bicarbonate? All right, let's start with the basics. What exactly is sodium bicarbonate? You've probably seen it used in cooking or cleaning, but did you know it's a natural compound that can balance acids in your body? It may look like a simple powder, but trust me, the benefits go way beyond baking cakes or cleaning your sink. Sodium bicarbonate is super affordable, easy to find, and a powerhouse for your health. So, what can it do for you? Let's dive in. Digestive health. First up, let's talk about digestion. Ever had a big meal and felt that uncomfortable bloating or heartburn afterward? Well, sodium bicarbonate to the rescue. When you mix it with water, it creates a solution that neutralizes excess stomach acid. This helps with issues like heartburn, acid reflux, and even bloating. Just imagine, the next time your stomach feels off, a simple glass of water with a bit of sodium bicarbonate could make all the difference. Skincare superstar. Did you know sodium bicarbonate can also do wonders for your skin? Yup, it's a great natural exfoliator. Just mix a little with water to create a paste, then gently rub it on your skin to remove dead cells. This can leave your skin soft, smooth, and fresh. Plus, if you've been dealing with acne or oily skin, it can help by balancing your skin's pH. Just make sure to use it sparingly to keep your skin healthy and happy. Oral health helper. Now let's talk about your teeth. Sodium bicarbonate is often found in toothpaste and mouthwash, and for good reason. It's slightly abrasive, which means it can help scrub away plaque and food particles, giving you cleaner, brighter teeth. But that's not all. Sodium bicarbonate also neutralizes acids in your mouth, which keeps your breath fresh and your teeth strong. It's like a little boost for your dental routine. A natural deodorant. Here's one you might not have heard before. Sodium bicarbonate can actually be used as a natural deodorant. That's right. It absorbs odors, making it a great way to stay fresh throughout the day. You can even sprinkle a little under your arms or mix it with water to make a paste. It's simple, chemical-free, and super effective. Athletic performance boost. And for all the fitness lovers out there, this one's for you. Sodium bicarbonate can actually help improve athletic performance. When you exercise, your muscles produce lactic acid, which makes them feel tired. Sodium bicarbonate helps neutralize that acid, which means you could get a little extra endurance during tough workouts. Some athletes even drink a solution of baking soda and water before they exercise to help reduce muscle fatigue. Final recap. So, there you have it. Sodium bicarbonate is not just for baking. Whether you need to fix a tummy ache, brighten your smile, freshen up, or even get a little extra boost during a workout, this simple powder can help you in so many ways. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more health tips using simple everyday ingredients. See you in the next video.